So when we first walked into this room, the parquet floor had completely lost its spark. Years of foot traffic, old coatings and everyday wear had left it looking flat, patchy and tired. Parquet floors like this are all about the detail. The pattern, the grain, the way the light moves across the room, and when that's gone, the whole space feels dull. The first step was a full assessment and careful preparation. We protected the room, set up the professional dust extraction, and made sure the environment was right before sanding. Sanding parquet isn't about rushing, it's done in stages, gradually removing the old finish, flattening the surface evenly, and refining the wood without damaging the individual blocks or in this case, the herringbone pattern. If you like these videos, I would be grateful if you could subscribe. You'll see more videos of other projects we've been involved in, and also a few tips, some tool recommendations, kit recommendations, and just general business info really. So once all of this surface was clean and smooth, we addressed any imperfections, and that included some filling and sanding off the old sort of residue from that filler to get it all nice and smooth in preparation for the final stage. And this is when it really happens. The finish was chosen to enhance the natural warmth of the wood, not overpower it. It was applied evenly, it brings the grain to life, sharpens the pattern and restores the depth and clarity across the entire floor. The result of this parquet floor feels timeless again. Clean lines, rich colour and a durable surface for everyday life. This is why parquet floors don't need replacing, they just need restoring properly with somebody who knows what they're doing and understands what you're looking for to achieve the result that best suits not only your lifestyle, but you know what your interior design is and what you're looking for and hoping to get out of the floor. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed doing this job, and I hope that shows in the final result. Here you can see it. This is a ceramic coated finish for extra durability. Customer loved it. You can see that it's all nice and flat like it should have always been, and yeah, I love doing this job and can't wait to do my next project. Thanks for watching.